In this video, I'll guide you through how to add your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook profile seamlessly. If you're looking to connect your professional presence with your social network, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to linkedin.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. This is where we'll start linking your professional identity to your Facebook profile. Once you're on LinkedIn, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and give it a click. This is your gateway to accessing your profile details. Next up, you'll want to click on the option that says View Profile. This will take you to your public profile page where all your professional details are displayed. The important part here is to locate your public profile URL. This URL is a direct link to your professional presence and is what you'll be sharing on Facebook. Go ahead and copy this URL. You can usually find it right under your profile picture or at the top of your profile page. With that URL safely copied, it's time to switch gears. Open a new tab in your browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Now, we're going to integrate your LinkedIn profile into your Facebook presence. Once you're on Facebook, find the option to edit your profile. This is typically found on your profile page and might say something like edit profile or update info. In this edit mode, look to the left-hand side of the screen and find the section labeled links. This is where you can add external links to your profile, such as websites, blogs, or portfolios. Click on this section to proceed. Next, you'll see an area specifically for adding websites, blogs, and portfolios. This is where you'll add your LinkedIn profile link. You'll see fields for both a link description and the link itself. In the link description, you might want to type something like my LinkedIn profile to make it clear to anyone viewing your profile what this link is. Then paste the LinkedIn URL you copied earlier into the link field. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces as these could affect the link's functionality. Once everything looks good, it's time for the final step. Click Save to ensure that your changes are kept. This will update your Facebook profile with your LinkedIn link, making it easy for your connections to find and connect with you professionally. And there you have it. You've successfully added your LinkedIn profile to your Facebook profile, bridging your professional and social networks. This small step can enhance your online presence and make it easier for friends and colleagues to connect with you across platforms. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.